In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an administrator or user to Squarespace. Beginner tutorial. Let's start by opening Squarespace and signing into your account. From there, head to your account dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, you'll see them listed here. Click the website where you want to add someone. This ensures you're working in the right place before changing permissions. Inside your site, go to Settings. To get there quickly, you can use the search bar at the top of the Settings panel and type Permissions. Select the Permissions or Permissions and Ownership page when it appears. This is where you control who can access your site and what they can do. On the Permissions page, look for the option to add a new person. This may appear as Add Basic Author or Add Contributor, depending on your plan and interface. Click that, and a form will open. Enter the person's information, including their email and name. You'll also see a display name field. This is how they'll appear on posts and other site content, so make sure it's filled in. If it's left empty, you may see an error later and need to come back to complete it. Next, choose the role that fits what you want them to do. If they only need to write and edit blog posts or pages, Basic Author is a good, limited option. If they need full control over the site, including settings, billing, and templates, select Administrator. It's a good rule of thumb to grant the least access necessary. You can always upgrade their role later if needed. Depending on your plan, you might also see additional toggles for specific tools. Keep those off unless you know the person needs them. Once everything looks good, click Save to send the invitation. Squarespace will email the person a link to accept. Until they accept, their status will show as pending. If you click Save and see a message like, Display name cannot be empty, just scroll back to the Display name field, add a clear name, and save again. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Double-check you're adding the user to the correct site, confirm the email address before sending, and let the person know to check their inbox and spam folder for the invite. If you ever need to change or remove access, you can return to the same permissions page at any time. That's it! Your new administrator or user is on the way.